How to answer question on Sendit Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can answer a question on Sendit Snapchat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is make sure that you have your Snapchat. Open it up. After you open up your Snapchat, just head over to any story or snap that your friend has sent you that includes Sendit. So I'll just open up my own story to show you guys how you can answer a Sendit. So after you open up a story for anyone and there is a Sendit, all you have to do is tap on this tap to reply button, and there you will see tap to reply on the bottom. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, it will redirect you to a link. Now this link you will get to type in your reply. So just type in a reply. So I'll just type in hi and tap on send it. After doing that, you can just wait for this, and after you just wait for this, there you go. Now you have just send it, and that is basically how you answer a question on Sendit Snapchat. Thanks for watching guys. That is how you do it. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye.